Welcome to today's session. Let's take this time to energize our body, calm our mind, and focus on our breath. Stay present, follow the flow, and enjoy the practice. Let's begin. Stand in position. Stand upright with your feet spread wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight and maintain a relaxed posture. Arms swing forward and backward. Extend your arms fully and start swinging them forward and backward in a controlled manner. Keep your movement smooth and natural, allowing your shoulders to loosen up. Arm rotation clockwise. Now, extend your arms straight out to the sides at shoulder height. Begin rotating them in a circular motion in a clockwise direction. Start with small circles and gradually increase the size. Counting clockwise, continue rotating your arms clockwise while counting aloud or in your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse arm rotation, counterclockwise. Once you complete 10 counts, switch the direction of rotation to counterclockwise. Again, start with small circles and gradually increase their size. Counting counterclockwise, rotate your arms counterclockwise while counting backward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Lower your arms gently and let them rest by your sides. Take a deep breath in and out. Prepare your stance. Stand upright with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight and engage your core muscles. Position your arms. Bend your elbows and bring your forearms in front of your chest, keeping them parallel to the ground. Your hands should be relaxed, and your shoulders should remain at ease. Twist your hips. Slowly twist your torso to the left side, ensuring that your hips and upper body move together while keeping your feet firmly planted on the ground. Then twist to the right side. Continue twisting, 20 counts. Maintain a steady rhythm as you alternate between left and right twists. Count forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count backward, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax after completing 20 counts. Return to the starting position. Lower your arms, take a deep breath in and out, and relax your body before moving on to the next exercise. Prepare your stance. Stand upright with your feet shoulder width apart. Place your hands on your hips for balance and support. Keep your back straight and engage your core muscles. Right leg swing forward and backward. Lift your right leg off the ground and extend it forward. Swing it smoothly forward and backward in a controlled motion. If you find it difficult to fully extend your leg, you can bend your knees slightly and perform the movement with a half-folded leg. Maintain balance and keep your movement steady. Count and complete right leg. Perform the movement for 10 counts while maintaining good posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch to the left leg. Lower your right leg and regain stability. Now, lift your left leg and repeat the same swinging motion forward and backward. Again, you can keep your leg fully extended or slightly bent based on your comfort level. Count and complete left leg. Perform the movement for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax once both sides are done. Lower your leg. Bring your feet back to a neutral standing position. Take a deep breath and relax. Stand in position. Spread your legs slightly apart, maintaining a stable and comfortable stance. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Prepare for the stretch. Place your hands on your waist for balance. Engage your core muscles and maintain an upright posture. Heel raises with full body stretch. Slowly lift your heels off the ground, rising onto your toes. At the same time, stretch your entire body upward, elongating your spine. Hold the stretch for a brief moment, feeling the extension from your toes to your fingertips. Gently lower your heels back down to the ground. Repeat for 20 counts. Perform the movement smoothly and steadily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax after completing 20 repetitions. Lower your heels, release your arms. Take a deep breath and let your body relax. Starting position, Pranamasana Namaste pose. Stand at the top of your mat. Bring your feet together and stand tall. Fold your arms in the Namaste position at your chest. Inhale, bend back Hasta Uttanasana, raised arms pose. Raise your arms up while keeping them in Namaste. Gently arch your back, lifting your chest toward the sky. Exhale, forward bend, Uttanasana, standing forward fold. Hinge at your hips and bend forward. Try to touch the ground with your hands, keeping your back straight. Right leg back, Ashwasanchalanasana, equestrian pose. Step your right leg back into a lunge. Keep your left knee bent at a 90-degree angle. Look forward while keeping your hands on the floor. Left leg back, Dandasana, plank pose. Step your left leg back to join the right. Coming into a plank position. Keep your body in a straight line, engaging your core. Slowly lower down Ashtanga Namaskar, 8-limbed pose. Bend your knees and lower your chest and chin to the ground while keeping your hips slightly lifted. Your chin, chest, hands, knees, and toes should touch the mat. Inhale, Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Slide your chest forward and lift your upper body, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Look upward while keeping your shoulders relaxed. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain pose / downward dog. Push your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. Press your heels toward the ground and stretch your spine. Shashankasana, child's pose. Fold your knees and bring your hips back toward your heels. Extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Take a deep breath, inhaling and exhaling slowly. Move forward to Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Come forward and lift your chest again into cobra pose. Keep your elbows slightly bent and shoulders relaxed. Return to Parvatasana, mountain pose / downward dog. Push your hips back up into mountain pose again. Slowly fold knees and return to Shashankasana, child's pose. Bring your knees down and relax in child's pose again. Right leg front, Ashwasanchalanasana, equestrian pose. Step your right leg forward between your hands, keeping your left leg extended back. Left leg front, Uttanasana, standing forward fold. Bring your left leg forward to meet the right. Bend forward and try to touch the ground. Inhale, come up and bend back. Hasta Uttanasana, raised arms pose. Slowly rise up, bringing your arms overhead. Arch your back slightly and look upward. Exhale, return to Namaste, Pranamasana, Namaste pose. Bring your hands back to the Namaste position at your chest. Relax and breathe. This sequence is a complete full-body warm-up and stretch that improves flexibility, strength, and relaxation. Starting position. Stand with your feet wide apart, keeping your spine straight. Distribute your weight evenly on both feet. Raise your left hand. Slowly lift your left arm straight up towards the ceiling. Keep your palm facing inward. Side bend to the right. Gently bend your upper body to the right side, keeping your legs stable. Do not lean forward or backward. Maintain a straight alignment. Look up at your left fingers. Keep your neck relaxed and gaze up at your left hand's fingertips. Ensure your right arm rests on your right thigh or stretches downward. Hold the pose 10 counts. Stay in this position while breathing steadily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Return to center. Slowly bring your torso back to the center and lower your left hand. Stand tall with feet wide apart and relax. Wide your legs. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, keeping your back straight. Lift your left hand. Extend your left arm straight up toward the ceiling. Hold your left wrist. Use your right hand to hold your left wrist firmly. Bend to the right. Slowly bend your upper body to the right, keeping your legs stable. Feel the deep stretch on the left side of your body. Hold for 10 counts. Keep breathing steadily while counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax and return to center. Slowly bring your body back to an upright position and release your arms. Lift your right hand. Extend your right arm straight up toward the ceiling. Hold your waist. Place your left hand on the right side of your waist for support. Hold for 10 counts. Stay in this position while breathing deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax and return to center. Slowly lower your right arm and bring your body back to a neutral standing position. Set your stance. Stand with your legs wide apart, about double your shoulder width or slightly more. Keep your spine straight and engage your core for balance. Adjust your feet position. Turn your right foot outward, facing the right side. Slightly turn your left foot inward, to maintain stability. Side bend and reach down. Slowly move your upper body to the right, bending downward. Try to reach as low as possible, maintaining a straight back. If flexible, touch your right ankle with your right hand. If not, hold your leg anywhere between your knee and ankle. Raise your left hand and look up. Extend your left hand upward, keeping it aligned with your shoulders. Turn your head and gaze at your left fingertips. Keep your chin up and ensure your chest remains open. Hold the pose for 10 counts. Breathe deeply and maintain the stretch while counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Return and relax. Slowly come back up to a standing position. Relax your arms and legs before switching to the other side if needed. This pose helps stretch the spine, legs, and obliques, improving flexibility and posture. Choose a comfortable sitting position. On a chair, sit with your back straight, feet flat on the floor, and hands resting on your knees. On the floor, sit in Vajrasana kneeling position or cross-legged, keeping your spine erect. Hand position. Raise your hands up as you inhale deeply. Lower your hands down forcefully as you exhale. Breathing technique. Inhale deeply through your nose, expanding your lungs. Exhale forcefully and completely through your nose. Maintain a rhythmic and powerful breath cycle. Perform 20 rounds. Start counting as you breathe. 1, 2. Inhale, exhale 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. After completing 20 rounds, bring your hands down to your knees. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and observe the effects of the breathing. Benefits of Bhastrika Pranayama. Increases oxygen supply to the body. Boosts energy and lung capacity. Improves focus and clears the mind. Strengthens the respiratory system. Sit comfortably in Sukhasana, easy pose. Sit cross-legged on the floor with your spine straight. Rest your hands gently on your knees, palms facing up or down. Close your eyes and relax your entire body. Focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Exhale slowly and gently through your nose. Maintain a calm and steady breathing rhythm. Meditate for 2 minutes. Simply concentrate on your breath. Feel the air flowing in and out. Let go of any thoughts, focusing only on breathing. Stay in this peaceful state for 2 minutes, inhaling and exhaling naturally. Slowly rub your palms together until they feel warm. Gently place your warm palms over your face. Keep your chin close to your chest for a moment. Open your eyes and softly look down at your lap before raising your head. Relax and observe the calmness. Take a few more deep breaths and notice the relaxation in your body and mind. Benefits of this practice. Calms the mind and reduces stress. Enhances focus and mindfulness. Improves deep breathing and lung capacity. Helps in emotional balance and relaxation.